to protect your best interests.
What did you find?
Well, I was able to locate.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation
This
with
is
the
a
Federal
test
Emergency
of the National
Management
Emergency
Agency,
Alert
Federal
System.
Communications Commission,
This system
and local
was developed
authorities
by
to keep you
broadcast and
informed in the
cable
event
operators
of an
in
emergency.
voluntary
If this is
cooperation
an
with the
actual
Federal Emergency
the
Management
official
Agency,
message
the
would have
Federal
followed
Communications
the tone
Commission,
alert you
and
heard
local
at the start
authorities
of
to
this
keep you
message.
informed in the
A
event of
similar
an
wireless
emergency. If
emergency
this had been an
test
actual
message has
emergency,
been sent
an
out
official
to all
message
cell
would have
phones in the
followed
nation.
the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
BB Rexa, I'm a mess, said Jen oftentimes. Anyway, who is